Good morning, dear students. We are studying about the chemical reactions. Now we will study different types of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions are categorized in different types using certain criteria. In this chapter, we will study three main types, three main categories in which the chemical reactions are classified. So, the first criteria that is used to classify the chemical reactions is the nature and the number of reactants and the products. So, here the number of reactants and the product, that is the criterion that is used to classify them. If there is only one product, then that reaction is classified as combination reaction. If there is only one reactant, then that reaction will be decomposition reaction. Now, if in the reaction the less reactive metal that gets displaced by more reactive metal, that reaction is called as displacement reaction. Now, here the nature is considered, the nature of the reactants, and we have studied the reactivity series. So, according to the reactivity of the metal, the less reactive metal will be displaced by the more reactive metal. Similarly, when there is a mutual exchange of radicals between the reactants, that type of reaction is called as double displacement reaction. So, thus, depending on the nature and the number of reactants and the products, these are the four types of chemical reactions as combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. Then second type or second criterion for classifying is with respect to the heat. Some of the reactions they consume heat, while in some reactions heat is given out. So on that basis, the chemical reactions are put in these two groups. If in that reaction the heat is absorbed, then it is called as endothermic reaction. And if in the particular reaction, if the heat is released, then it is called as exothermic reaction. So endothermic and exothermic, this is one type of reaction. This is one classification of the reactions depending on the heat. Then the third classification, that is with reference to oxygen and hydrogen. So accordingly, the reactions are classified as oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. Let us see what's oxidation reaction. When oxygen is added to the reactant, that reaction is oxidation reaction, or it can be also defined as when hydrogen is removed from the reactant, then it is called oxidation reaction. Or in terms of electrons, that can be defined as when electrons are lost, then that process is oxidation reaction. So oxidation is oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed or electrons are lost. That reaction is oxidation reaction. Then reduction reaction. When hydrogen is added, that reaction will be called a reduction reaction. Or when oxygen is removed, that reaction will be reduction reaction. Or in terms of electrons, when electrons are gained, that will be reduction reaction. So reduction reaction can be addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen or gain of electrons. So thus different types of reactions are there, and we will study each type one by one. So